Hello, and welcome into Shopfix, a community joined together for the love of woodworking. My name is William Mandry, and in today's episode, we're going to be removing a bunch of nails from these 2x4s. And these are actually used 2x4s that I got for free from a basement demolition. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to get these boards cleaned up, get all the hardware out so you can reuse lumber like this. And essentially, this is all free lumber. It just takes a little bit of time to remove all that hardware. So, let's get right to it.
Shopfix. It's for the love of woodworking.
All we're working with is these nails. And they're sticking straight up and they're hammered all the way through. And to get them out, we're gonna have to leverage them from the nail head with our hammer. So to get that way, we're gonna have to hit the nails out, preferably all the way. So when you're removing a nail, if you can hit the nail all the way through until you can't hit it farther on this side, that's the easiest way and fastest way to get out. Now, if you can't do that, you just have to hit it enough to get the nail head showing. And if you can straighten out these nails a little bit to make that a little bit easier, that's what I would do. If they're just a little bit crooked like this one, I would just hit it as far as you can go. So let me show you how to do this.
Alright, so let's get started with this process here. If the nail head is sticking straight up and down, you can simply go ahead and hammer it straight through as you see me do here. Alright, now, if you're going on to a nail that's really crooked or bent, you're going to have to straighten that nail head out before you go and whack it. And that's because if you get it even more bent, well, you're liable to not be able to get that nail head up high enough to leverage it from the other side. So we first have to straighten it out. And I simply use 2 hammers. And if you hit them together in the same location, it usually straightens out the fastest. Then once it's straight, you can simply hit it straight through with your hammer, and you want to get it all the way through so it's easier and faster to get it out once you flip it to the other side. Alright, now let's move on to another crooked nail. And again, I use that same technique with 2 hammers. Usually I'll put one at the bottom, one where it's crooked to get it kind of straight, and then finish it out by smashing the hammers in the same location, and it gets it really straight every time, and it's fast and it's easy. And then I just go ahead and slam it straight through. Alright, so let's move on to the last nail in this board. Now it's pretty straight, but just in case, I kind of straighten it up there real quick, and then I'm gonna hammer it straight through again. And remember to wear safety glasses when you're doing this process, especially when you flip it over and start prying them out. You don't want a nail flying up and hitting you in the eye. That would be no good. Well, once you got them all done, you can flip it over, and instead of just using the leverage of 1 hammer, I actually use the leverage of 2 hammers by prying it up, but also hitting the top of the other hammer to get maximum leverage. And I had to, because I tried to get these nails out with 1 hammer, and it just wasn't working. It wasn't getting up, and it was also leaving big hammer marks in the wood. But if you simply leave it in one spot and start hitting that top of the hammer, it just gently pries it up, and you're left with not a ton of hammer marks on your board. So that's also a plus.
Alright, so that's what I would do to remove those 4 nails. Basically from here, you can obviously clean up the blemishes with a sander, with the handheld planer, with the jointer. There's all sorts of ways you can clean up the surface. And again, if you're going to be using it on any machines, you're going to double check, triple check, quadruple check, and make sure there's no embedded nails or embedded metal of any other kind. And again, I would just use 2 hammers. If you have nails and boards, I have a bunch of 2x4s that I'm gonna have to go through and do that process over and over again. And you don't need any other tools, you just need 2 hammers. With a few techniques, with like a miter saw, the planer and the jointer, and just good old hammer, I'm able to get these processed pretty quickly. So I just wanted to show you this video in case anyone was wondering kind of what techniques I would go about using when processing these 2x4s to get them ready. I have a lot of lumber, it's all free, but I just have to do a little bit of work, and the faster I process it, the greater reward it is. Because, you know, if it takes you hours upon hours to get it ready, well, you might be better off just working a little extra and then buying the lumber. But I think I figured out a way to process this lumber really fast. So I hope this video really comes in handy, and I'll show you how I process all this, and then we're gonna build some stuff out of it in later videos. So I hope you enjoy.